Lisa here again with Truly Contagious and Contagious Wholesale with another little tip. So I noticed in my flat file that my shipping is not configured correctly for launch day. So I'm going to show you a quick 3-second fix for this. So you go to your flat file and you'll notice that this says yes, this said no before I played with it a minute ago. So we'll change that back to no. And I need them to all say yes because we are going to run with a free shipping strategy. That's not because, let me note that I think that's better. It's just because I do not have time to sufficiently analyze that data and have my listings ready to go for Jane. And I'd like to kind of see how that rolls out first day. So we've chosen to go with has free shipping for launch day. So you're going to highlight column H if you're having discrepancies in your data there, and you will go to File and Select again, but this time we're going to select Find. And underneath Find, we are going to select Replace. And this time we are going to do a Replace All with this function because it's going to find everything in this column that I have highlighted, and it's going to replace it. So I want it to find all of the no's, and I want it to replace them with yeses. Now remember, if you hit something and it doesn't work, you can always undo. So that's a function you can use. So it's okay to try it and then kind of check your data. So right here, I will hit replace all. If you'll notice, I had 6 errors that would have gone live on launch day incorrectly. So we will say thank you and close out, and that's fixed. Another thing that you can do is on your status, you can use this strategy. So you go to Find, and we are going to switch everything from draft to published. So draft, and I want it to all be published. And I will choose to replace all. There we go. 362 more items will be ready because we're past the date. We'll see when Jane launches those, but they should be new items within the first couple days after Jane launches. So we are set there, and you can use this function in a lot of places within your flat file. There's my tip for the evening. I hope that helps a little bit. If you have any custom concerns, please reach out. Thank you.